Hello, it's Theresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today is day 5 of my Christmas in July series for 2023. We only have one more day, and I realize that the projects have been a little heavy as far as, the time that it would take to make them. So I figured we'd lighten it up today, and I'm going to share with you something that I've shared before, a style that I've shared before, but in a Christmas theme, and I think they're so cute. But before I do that, I just want to remind you that this series is a giveaway, and all the rules and guidelines are in the description box below. But basically, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, like this video, and comment below. That will get you entered into the giveaway. And the giveaway prize is that the winner will be able to choose their prize from any of the projects that I have featured during this series. Let's check out today's project. Today's project are these sweet little Christmas-themed tea books that I'm calling Tea, as in T-E-A, Ends, as in Traveler's Notebook, because that's kind of what they are. They're like a really small traveler's notebook, but they're made to hold individual bags of tea. And I just think they're so cute. This is not my original idea. I first saw this idea on Lynn's channel, The Gift Diva. Hi, Lynn. And I'll link her video in the description box below. And Lynn saw the idea from the originator of the design, who is Linda Parker. She's a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the UK, and she has a wonderful tutorial that I followed. And I'm telling you, once you make one of these, you're just going to want to keep making them. It's a great way to use up your scraps, and they're just so cute and fun and make a great gift or craft fair item. Now you'll notice that each has a little charm. Some of these charms I got on Amazon, some I got on AliExpress, and I will link any that I can find in the description box below. I also included a cute little decorative spoon. It is food safe to go with the tea book. I think it's just the perfect size, and it's all decorative. This is one example of the styles that I used in these books. And here is another. They're inexpensive, available on Amazon, and I will link them below. Since all of these are similar, I am going to go through them one by one, but instead of talking you through it, I'm just going to go ahead and put on a little Christmas music, and we'll look at them together. I think these turned out just adorable. And the beauty of them is since they're laminated, they're very heavy duty. So you'll be able to put them in and out of your purse or luggage and not have to worry about them being damaged. The folders inside are refillable. And even replaceable. They slip right out of the elastic if you should have a tear or something like that. But they're pretty heavy duty, and I think that they're so much fun, and again, would make a great gift, craft fair item, or stocking stuffer. They're also a great way to use your scraps, which is what I did for these projects. Some of the paper that I used came from this collection. It's from DCWV, and it's called Mrs. Claus's Kitchen. And I literally have 3 full sheets of paper left in this pad. And I don't have a backup, which makes me super sad. But I was just using scraps for these, and I think it turned out beautifully. I also used this collection from DCWV called Christmas Carol. Now, if you don't have a laminator, don't count yourself out of this project. I mean, you could certainly make it without the lamination, but in addition to that, a laminator, if you're interested, is not very expensive. In fact, it's just over $30 on Amazon for the one that I got, and it's a cute pink one at that. So I'll link that in the description box below, and I'll have several projects coming up where I use my laminator this fall. So if you're interested at all, I'm telling you, once you get a laminator, you're going to be hooked. It's so fast and easy and really just takes your project to the next level and protects it. So you're just going to want to laminate everything. As usual, I will put links to all of the products that I use that I can find, and I'll list those in the description box below so that you can easily click on them and find these products. I hope you enjoyed today's project and are inspired to make one of your own. Please join me tomorrow for episode 6 in my Christmas in July series for 2023, which is the last one. If you've missed any of the series, I'll include a link to a playlist that you can click on, and you can catch up on any that you might have missed. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.